Did you ever witness Mr. Epstein sexually abuse or assault young women or girls?
No.
Former President Bill Clinton answering questions under oath about convicted child sex trafficker Jeffrey Epstein.
Did you ever have sexual contact with any young woman or girl introduced to you by Epstein or Maxwell?
No.
As well as his own appearances throughout the Epstein files, including this photo of Clinton in a hot tub with a woman whose face is redacted.
I don't know who that is.
Okay, so you don't know?
No, and then there were other people in the pool.
Okay, so do you remember were they under 18? Would you know?
We went out, I swam around, I sat in the hot tub for 5 minutes, or whatever it was, and I got up and went to bed.
And then I have to ask this, did you engage in any sexual activity
No.
with this person?
The House Oversight Committee releasing almost 5 hours of video from the closed-door deposition of Clinton last week. He repeatedly insisted he never knew about Epstein's crimes.
My conscience is clear.
And also denied ever visiting Little St. James, Epstein's private island in the Caribbean.
At least one of the survivors claims that you flew in a helicopter with Ghislaine Maxwell to the island.
Did you ever?
Then I did not do that. I've never been to that island.
Clinton shared this thought about current President Donald Trump.
The president never, this is 20-something years ago, never said anything to me to make me think he was involved in anything improper with regard to Epstein.
Clinton also described Trump telling him in the early 2000s about his falling out with Epstein.
We had some great times together over the years, but we fell out, all because of a real estate deal. And he said, I'm sorry it happened.
Bill Clinton's testimony coming the day after his wife, Hillary Clinton, sat for an at times fiery deposition of her own.
You asked the question, I'm going to answer your question.
Neither Clinton has been accused of wrongdoing related to Epstein, and the presence of one's name in the Epstein files does not suggest wrongdoing.
I have never been on his island, period. I've never been in his homes, his offices, his anything.
The former Secretary of State called on Trump to be deposed by the committee.
Given what's in the files and given past and prior conduct, he would be on my witness list.
A pesar de las amenazas de Trump, el presidente del gobierno español se mantiene firme, repudia al gobierno iraní, defiende el derecho internacional y pide el cese de todas las hostilidades en la zona. Hoy Sánchez ha abierto la puerta a que haya algún tipo de ayuda para aquellos sectores exportadores españoles que pudieran verse afectados por posibles represalias estadounidenses y confirma que se está trabajando para atraer a España a todos los ciudadanos atrapados por el conflicto. Pero además Sánchez recuerda cómo otro gobierno estadounidense hace ya más de 2 décadas inició la guerra en Irak, que provocó mayor inestabilidad en la zona, y recupera el lema pacifista de entonces, el no a la guerra, como resumen de la postura del gobierno español actual.
My God, he stabbed her! Not her! My pronouns are they, them. He stabbed them!
Be back!
The latest trailer for Scary Movie is filled with parodies and potentially offensive jokes. The Wayans and friends return to slash every horror trope and skewer every sacred cow when their new Scary Movie descends on theaters June 12th.